So I'm at DQ and say hi everyone.
Hi.
I just ordered the new Truffle Blizzard and it's really good. I couldn't wait to eat it. Here's what it looks like. It's basically ice cream with 3 different types of truffles: fudge, caramel, and peanut butter. This is definitely a 5 out of 5. I apologize if this video is really short, but while I was shopping today, I bought Mocha Oreos, the new Dunkin' Donut Mocha Oreos, so I'll definitely do a review of those, so stay tuned for that before I go to camp. And stay tuned for the videos I post after camp of all the food that I ate at camp. Okay, stay by the camera, everyone.